Welcome to this in-depth review of Stacked Invest, a trading bot designed for cryptocurrency automation. If you're looking for a hands-free trading solution, this platform promises to simplify the process with pre-built strategies, AI-driven insights, and seamless exchange integration. But is it really worth using? Let's dive in and take a closer look at everything Stacked Invest has to offer. Starting with the user interface, Stacked Invest has a clean, modern, and easy-to-navigate dashboard. Upon logging in, you're greeted with an overview of your portfolio, active bots, and available trading strategies. One of the key selling points of Stacked is its marketplace, where users can browse and deploy trading strategies created by experienced traders. This feature makes it accessible to beginners who may not have the knowledge to build their own strategies from scratch. Setting up a trading bot on Stacked Invest is straightforward. You first need to connect your exchange account via API keys, a standard practice in the industry. Stacked supports major exchanges like Binance, FTX, and Coinbase Pro. After connecting an exchange, you can either choose a strategy from the marketplace or customize your own by adjusting parameters like risk tolerance, leverage, and asset allocation. Security is always a concern with automated trading platforms, and Stacked Invest claims to prioritize user safety. The platform does not have direct access to withdraw funds, as trading is executed through API permissions. Additionally, two-factor authentication is available to add an extra layer of protection to your account. One of the highlights of Stacked Invest is its backtesting feature. Users can test strategies using historical market data before deploying them in live markets. This helps traders understand how a strategy might have performed in different market conditions. However, as with any backtesting tool, past performance does not guarantee future results. Now let's talk about pricing. Stacked Invest offers different subscription tiers based on the features you need. While there is no free version, users can explore the platform with a trial before committing to a paid plan. The pricing is competitive with other automated trading platforms, but whether it provides value depends on your trading volume and strategy success. Many useful links can be found in the description, so make sure to check them out after watching the video. Another important aspect to consider is customer support and community engagement. Stacked Invest provides customer support through email and chat, and there's also an active community of users who share tips and strategies. However, response times can vary depending on the complexity of your issue. Performance-wise, the success of using Stacked Invest largely depends on market conditions and the strategies applied. Some users report consistent gains, while others mention struggles in volatile markets. As with any trading bot, automation does not eliminate risks, and it's crucial to monitor your bots regularly to adjust settings when needed. In summary, Stacked Invest offers a well-designed automated trading solution with a range of features suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. Its marketplace, backtesting tools, and security measures make it a solid choice. But like any trading platform, it comes with risks. It's always recommended to start with a small amount and test strategies before committing larger funds. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content on crypto trading tools and automation. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Stacked Invest or have any questions. See you in the next video.